Today we are going to show how to use this Mercedes-Benz NTG5.1 and NTG5.2 EMMC Chip programming adapter to read the Mercedes-Benz NTG5.1 Head Unit 4GB EMMC chip. Connect the circuit board from the Mercedes-Benz NTG5.1 Head unit to the adapter. Please mind the orientation and do not connect them wrongly. Connect the adapter to the laptop's USB port. Then open the software we sent. For reading or writing steps, please follow the PDF we sent. The PDF has a step-by-step guide. If the EMMC chip on the circuit board isn't damaged or hasn't run out of its lifetime, the software will show a 4GB mass storage device. If you are a Mercedes-Benz Head unit repairman and looking for such a tool to program the NTG5.1 and NTG5.2 Head unit EMMC chip via a laptop's USB port, and you prefer a plug-and-play solution to get rid of soldering and desoldering the chip, this adapter is highly recommended. You can place an order online directly from our official store www.uobd.com.